Let's check the subsurface radar readings.
Look at the erosion pattern here. The spread is much wider than the model predicted.
And the height on the northern face seems
Look at how the wind has affected the leeward side. The data corresponds exactly to the erosion model.
Interesting. Should we pack up the theodolite now?
The seismic data suggests the deposits run deeper in this quadrant.
But the surface analysis indicates we should prioritize the western ridge first.
All right, we'll focus on the ridge.
Check the elevation at marker 12.
It's within tolerance. They are maintaining the slope perfectly. As you can see, the gradient is almost perfect across the entire sector.
Yes, the LiDAR data confirms an average deviation of less than 5 centimeters.
All right, team, push to the eastern marker. Crane 1, you are clear to swing.
According to the schematics here, they need to push the material further west before the next phase begins.
Watch the blade. Almost level now. Keep that line straight.
The density reading on the tablet shows we're almost at 95%.
Check the laser level on the far side, make sure the grade is holding.
Levels confirmed on the western quadrant. Maintain current speed and alignment.
Final survey confirms complete leveling. The specifications have been met.
All right, I will sign off on the completion report.
Stay on the line. Watch the edge. The spread is slightly uneven over there. Adjust the rake.
The nitrogen levels look promising here.
Yes, the subsurface moisture is holding steady according to the readout.
Let's take another sample near the boundary.
Watch the depth right there. It's too shallow.
The mixture looks consistent at this depth.
Yes, the dung integration is optimal. We should verify the rotation speed.
Right, let's get this labeled and move to the next spot.
Got it.
Okay, bring it 5 meters left. Steady now.
Confirmed, engaging the drill.
Ensure the threading is clean before engaging the next section. We are looking at joint 3 now.
Confirmed, joint 3 alignment verified.
Lower it slowly. Watch the alignment.
Hold it there. We need to adjust the clamp.
The coupling looks secure.
Yes, but monitor the vibration readings as it descends.
Check the voltage on line 3 before we power up.
Reading steady at 400 volts. We are good to go.
It's fully activated. The pressure is perfect.
Incredible!
We finally have water.
stem strength looks optimal, no signs of weakness.
Agreed. The buds are swelling nicely, but show no indication of premature opening. I'll log the metrics.
Okay, rack 12 is secure. Cross-reference with the manifest.
Confirmed, C7. Temperature stabilized at 20 degrees Celsius.
Check the depth on this one. We need exactly 12 inches. It's perfect. Keep going. A little deeper on that one.
How's this?
Much better. Continue that depth. The spacing here must be exact. Look at the blueprint.
I see it. Ensure the base is perfectly level before we move on. Just a little more tension on the far side there.
All right, how does that look?
Perfect, that should hold up well.
We finally finished it, and the irrigation is working perfectly.
The roses are going to thrive under this shade.
The flow rate here is lower than the last row.
Okay, let's check the regulator before we move on.
Are the nozzles ready? We should start with the perforated ones over there.
Almost ready. Let's get this done quickly.
How are the temperature readings looking today?
Stable. We should maintain the current shade setting.
Look at the color break on this one. The irrigation seems spot on here.
Yeah, noted. Check the pH on the next row over.
According to the tablet, this section needs more.
Okay, I'll increase the spray volume here.
this pink one is perfect.
Yes, the petals are very strong.
Slide it just a little to the left, keep that gap open.
All right, I got it. Next one coming up.
Are these yellow ones fresh today?
Absolutely, they just arrived this morning. The quality is unmatched.
These peonies are incredibly fresh today, and the lilies just opened.
They're beautiful. How long do the sunflowers usually last?
I think I'll take the peonies. Here you are, sir. Thank you. Thank you. They look wonderful. Here are your roses, madam. Enjoy the day.
Look at how fresh these sunflowers are.
They are beautiful. We'll take 2 bouquets.